Hello, friends! Today we will talk about an amazing musical instrument. The Boston Typewriter Orchestra is a unique musical ensemble that creates captivating performances using only typewriters as instruments. Formed in 2004, this one-of-a-kind orchestra repurposes these vintage machines, showcasing the rhythmic and melodic potential of typewriters. Their performances are a delightful blend of nostalgia, creativity, and a celebration of analog technology in the digital age. With a charismatic and entertaining approach, the Boston Typewriter Orchestra has carved a niche in the world of unconventional music, proving that even outdated devices can produce extraordinary sounds in the right hands. If you enjoyed this post, please like, share, comment, and follow for more.